Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I have a Sony WH-H910N headphones. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this guy in just a moment. I have our custom made upgraded slider parts installed on here. They seem to fail on many models of Sony headphones. First thing is to remove the right ear pad. I'm using a spudger tool, but you can use anything similar you have around the house. Push down so the end pries upward to unclip the ear pads from the ear cup. You can just work your way around and it will unclip just like this. There are small plastic clips that hold the ear pad on, and you're going to want to remove these 5 screws. Small Phillips head screwdriver. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Links to order parts are in the description and pinned in comments. Once the screws are removed, the back plate piece will come off. Be very careful with this ribbon connector that is connected to it. You do not want to break it. You can leave it plugged in, however, as long as it's not in the way. And there's a small piece of tape that's covering up these wires, so remove that tape and then push these wires here out of the way. Then unplug the battery connector. Then pry the battery out of the ear cup. There is adhesive on the bottom. So just like the ear cups, you want to push down and so it pries in an upward motion. And here is the stock replacement battery. And I am going to remove this foam here so you could get an idea of what the print looks like. So that is the print on it. And here we have our replacement battery for this model, and fits a few other models as well. So we're going to put our replacement battery in. I'm applying some adhesive here on the side with no print. Then once the adhesive is dry, you can go ahead and plug it in. You can use double-sided tape if you need to as well. And I'm just using this tool in here to make sure it's plugged in all the way, and it appears to be plugged in all the way. Now I'm going to push these wires downward out of the way how they were when I opened up the unit, and I'm going to install that tape back on over there, cover and protect that. It's a little sticker foam piece on there. Put that back on. Then you can place the cover piece back on and go ahead and start installing those screws. And once again, that's a Phillips screwdriver, a small one. And once all those screws are installed, you can put the ear pad back on. Make sure that seam is facing downward. So this is how it is installed. Just line up those clips appropriately and then apply some pressure. You should hear some snapping sounds. I'm going to test this to make sure that there's power going through the unit, plugging in that charger, and we have indicator that there is power, so that's a really good sign. I'm going to leave that plugged in for a while. Thank you for watching.